This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling a witch candy bar wrap. So we're going to start by folding everything on the score lines. Now this will fit a full-sized Hershey bar, a crunch, anything that's like the size of your Hershey bar. Okay, there we go. Now let's just flip that over and now bring in my pieces here. I'm going to start by assembling the belly band. And I'm going to pop this up with foam squares. Okay, so there is my belly band. Now that can dry. I'm going to pull in my witch. The first thing I'm going to do is glue this backing on. And I'm just going to use the table to make sure I have this lined up on the bottom. There we are. The next thing you want to add is her hat. And the hat does have the hair on it. So you just want to get that lined up. And now if you want, so you can see here, this piece is the eyes. So you can leave her with black lips if you like that look. Or there is a small oval and you can color her lips. So again, you just want to line this up. I think she turned out so cute. Now, if you wanted, you could pop that hat up, and I think I might go ahead and do that. So I'm going to put on the band and the flower before I attach it to to my witch. There we are. So I've made my hat. Now I'm just gonna use some foam tape here. And I'm gonna pop this up a little bit. You just want to make sure that you get it lined up. So there we go. So cute. And then add her to your front. I'm now thinking maybe I should have added this before I popped up the hat, but that's okay. And she fits right to the edge, edge to edge. And then line her up to the bottom. Make sure she's lined up good. Then we're going to take our belly band and you want to do it loose enough that your belly band will slide off and on. And there she is. There is the witch candy wrap. Thank you for joining me.